We guide you through how to find your Roblox user ID on mobile, whether you are using an iPhone or Android device. First thing you need to do is open your Roblox app and log into your account. Then, tap the three dots menu, go to your profile, and open the profile page you want the user ID for. Since the Roblox mobile app doesn't show the user ID directly, tap the share or copy profile link option. Once copied, open a browser or Notes app and paste the link. You'll see a long URL, and the numbers in the link are the Roblox user ID. If you are viewing another user profile, follow the same steps to copy their profile link and extract the ID from the URL. This method works on both iOS and Android and is the fastest way to find a Roblox user ID using your mobile.